afternoon, obviously.
It's really hot right now.
My family
I
is
left
going
on 3,
to bed.
but I was supposed to meet my family. They'd already gone,
To bed.
and I was a little late.
Maybe I was.
So left and right. This truck and this other truck has been standing here for almost a month. And look at this guy on my left. Two of them without helmets. Very regular, very normal thing in Gurgaon.
And I want to be
But
around to
yeah. I realized later that these guys are stopping because one, those guys are jaywalking. I realized later these guys are stopping because people are jaywalking on the street, and jaywalking is a very regular phenomenon. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Very usual. So essentially, Gurgaon is like zombie land. People just walk without hearing or seeing anything, and you have to adapt essentially. So it's on you. The onus is on you to adapt. I don't know what this guy is doing, so he's probably taking a right, but then he realized the right's not allowed. He's on the extreme left lane, but then he wants to come right again. And jaywalker number 5. You have to be super cautious when you're riding in Gurgaon. You just have to. Ooh, did you see that? That's not my brakes, by the way. The brakes of this guy in front of me. Oh. And that guy's taking his nose. That's what's happening. And this guy casually walking with his rickshaw on the other side of the road. And this dude. So he's passed this lane. And he's more concerned about the other lane without. Oh wow, another guy. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, it's a maze. You know, riding in Gurgaon is almost as exciting as playing a video game. Yeah, so people don't watch, and they will cross the lane, and then they'll be like, oh, your responsibility, and then if you're on a bike and that guy's on a car, they'll beat him up. But if you're on a bike and he's walking, they'll beat you up because it's your fault. Simple logic. Physics. Don't study physics from this guy because these electric RVs are defying the laws of physics. So casually just overtaking, and this guy's living on the other side. Oh wow, everyone, come, squish me. Beautiful. Now this guy on the other side of the road, he will not allow an auto to pass. Very good. भौंको, निकाल दो. ये उल्टी तरफ से आता तो डेफिनेटली भौंकना चाहिए उन कुत्तों को.
रुका ही नहीं.
This guy just entered the main lane from that lane without ever stopping.
निकल पड़े.
He did not use his brakes. Oh damn! How do people? Look at these guys! Oh, look at these guys again! So either zombies or you'll see people, a lot of people. It's very common. Who will be riding on the other side of the road? Now this guy. Now I could have taken. I should be allowed to overtake this BMW, but I can't because there are guys who are using casually the other side of the lane. By the way, this is essentially a one-way. Like all these guys are on the right track. So any cars beyond this point coming from that side are essentially breaking rules. But it's Gurgaon, so yeah. There are cops usually on the right hand side, left hand side, but people don't care. It's cool.
आराम से चलाओगे.
What I'm trying to say over here is if you ride very very slowly, the chances of you actually getting hit by a car or one of these people who are riding on the other side of the road, the wrong side of the road, are much higher. You'd rather just escape this vortex. Yeah, there is a little more sanity on the expressway, but just a little more. Because then you have people like these. No, it's so hot right now, and I'm wearing a full sleeves t-shirt by the way. That's not me honking, but honking is essential in Gurgaon. You can't help it. This guy is on the extreme right, but he will go straight. So it doesn't matter how big or small your car is, you can still be stupid. And look at this guy. And that's probably a police jeep. But people don't care. People don't care in Gurgaon. Remove all the idiosyncrasies and the nuisances on the road and look at this. It's such a beautiful road and you can actually enjoy your ride. Early morning or late at night, if you've got a bike, you can really enjoy these lanes, these big beautiful flanked with greenery on either side. I did not see this. Okay, in the comment section let me know what if I've done something wrong and how should I have avoided this nonsense in future. Because people don't use indicators and he can be easily, leisurely just chilling. I mean he's got I understand his pain, but it's difficult when trying to overtake, right? But maybe I could have done something better. The good thing I did was I kept my speed is within limits. It's never crossing a point where it'll be trouble for me or other people on the road. Wow! Look, I think I cursed to this guy. Might have. The funny thing is that it's gonna take him at least a couple of tries if he's trying to take a U-turn. And he's bound to get cursed. And funny thing number 2. So where I'm going right now, if he just follows along and does what I am doing, count the number of seconds, maybe 25 seconds, right? So if he does what I'm doing right now, he will be able to take a U-turn. Oh, Jaywalkers Unlimited. Again, that rickshaw riding on the other side. Oh! I'm not honking because it's this guy's fault. I'm honking because I just want to make him aware that he's seen shit on the left hand side. I want to pass on the right hand side so he's not distracted completely by that. 1 and 2. Can you spot the bikers riding on the other side of the road? It's so normal. That guy in the I-20 is trying to avoid hitting the scooter, the auto, which is trying to avoid those bikers who come from the other side of the other side. How can people take such liberties on big roads? That guy, look at this guy. He wants to actually jump on my bike, so look at that guy, look at that guy. It's so normal. It's so normal to break rules. And not like speeding rules, or you're not carrying your pollution, or you're wearing a helmet or gloves or whatever. It's like you're riding on the other side of the road. Now this cycle guy could have easily been on that side of the road. Why is it this side? I've reached, finally, after all the trials and tribulations, I've reached my favorite coffee place called Blue Tokai. It's open 24/7. So if I want to ride at 3 in the morning, I can just come here for a nice peaceful ride, sip my coffee and not sleep the entire day. Avoid this heat. And they've got third wave and Starbucks and chais, etc. So, and 24/7. So essentially it's open 24/7 except Starbucks. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share, follow, subscribe, do all the nice things, and also comment below and let me know what you think. Cheers.